Today is June 21st, and I'm about ready to partake in an epic project to get the raft out from storage for the 52nd annual Connecticut River Raft Race. This year we're planning on switching it up a bit. Rather than unwrapping Little Willie, which is in front of you right now, which is still under wraps from the winter and has been undercover to protect it from the snow, we're going to leave her in place and instead switch gears and get Knotty Gurl out from storage, and she is behind this mess right here. So we have a generator, some fencing, an aluminum workbench, a StarCraft Explorer, a big huge ladder, a bunch of pallets. It's back there behind all of this in this shack right here. This past winter we had a snow disaster. The tarp got overloaded, the ropes let go, and it collapsed. Had a slight collapse here, but we're lucky because the boat's much further back, so there's no snow and standing water that got on the deck. So this has been here a number of years, and it's time to get her out and see what we got to do to it to get it ready for the raft race. So the first order of business is to start clearing stuff out of the way and work my way to the front of the shack, and then we can pull her out. So here's what we're dealing with. We got a bunch of stuff in the way before we can get to the raft. I got all the crap out from in front of the raft. So here's the big reveal. The raft is underneath this brown cover, and I'm going to call it a day for now and clean up. Been at this for a couple hours and I'm pretty dusty and dirty. So I'm going to leave this open, let it air out.